Here is a 52-inch Nutone Sea Island ceiling fan. And I apologize for all the noise. Yeah, I excuse all the noise. Hold on. I'm gonna shut the garage door. Stop. Anyway, this fan is 52 inch. Technical difficulties with the garage door opener thing. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh, good God. Okay, should work now. Jeez. Okay, I am terribly sorry about that. Yeah, it's just really loud outside, so I kind of needed to close it. Anyway, here it is, Nutone Sea Island. I got this from Connor in trade with a Craftmate CXL. This fan is in pretty good shape. Just some scratches on the blades and some scratches throughout the fan. But overall, it runs great. And yeah, so I'm gonna start it up on low speed for you guys. Yeah, so here is low. And honestly, this fan just looks like those fans that you'd find at like Big Apple Bagels or something like that. Like those, it's kind of like those they have like, basically like they have those small Charlestons. But you know, I always thought that basically those Big Apple bakery fans that I always thought that are small Fasco Charlestons, but I always thought that they were Veranda Deluxes or these Sea Islands. Anywho, enough about that. Point is, it just looks like it, alright? Here's medium. When this fan runs out here, basically when I'm working on something, I usually have it on like medium or high, because to me low speed isn't fast enough. Honestly, ceiling fans can never be fast enough. Like, you can have a fan going at like 600 RPMs and okay, that's actually a bit too fast, but you know. Point is, sometimes fans are not fast enough. So I guess that proves the point. So yeah. Here's high. This fan does not turn very fast, but on camera it does look like it is turning pretty fast. But obviously it is not. Actually, it's going somewhat fast. But what makes up for it is the air movement. Take you guys in for a close-up here. Trying to get you guys a good angle. Anyway, we'll do spin down since it is not very long on this fan. Honestly, on my screen, it looks like an Island fan's on my screen, but it's not, obviously. It just looks like it on my screen because I'm recording in selfie mode. I mean, that's how I've recorded all my videos. Alright, since basically all of the disturbance is gone, I'm going to open the garage door after this video ends. Actually, I'm going to do that now, so you can just listen to it while the fan spins down. Alright? Let me do that real quick. Much better lighting, isn't it? Too bad a bunch of disturbance happened at the beginning of the video, but that's okay. Things happen, and oh my gosh, spin down's a lot longer than I thought it was. I mean, that's pretty crazy. And I'm going to give you a preview for what fan is going to be uploaded next. Can you guess what blade arm this is to? Comment below what blade arm you think this is to. And speaking of blades, you just approach the sprint down and look at how dirty it is. Look at that. It's really dirty. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video of this 52-inch white Nutone Sea Island. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button down below. If you're new, if you're basically new to my YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button. And also tap the bell so every time I upload, you're notified. See you guys later.